New 2000 banknote to be introduced.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Jamaica is to introduce a new 2000 banknote. In making the disclosure on Tuesday afternoon, March 8, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark stated that the late former Prime Ministers and the political rivals Michael Manley and Edward Seaga will appear together on the note. Further, Clark announced that the current notes are being upgraded in the coming fiscal year. He indicated that the new banknotes will last 50% longer than the current ones. They seek to honor 11 prominent persons, 7 national heroes, and 4 prime ministers. For the $50 note, national heroes Paul Bogle and George William Gordon will appear on the upgraded version. As for the $100 note, national hero Marcus Garvey, who was on Jamaica's 50 Cent, will appear alone on the upgraded version. The $500 note will see Nanny of the Maroons and Sam Sharp appearing together. The 1000 note will see Sir Alexander Bustamante and Norman Manley appearing together. As for the new $2000 note, political contemporaries Michael Manley and Edward Seaga will appear together, while the $5000 note will display the images of former Prime Ministers Donald Sangster and Hugh Shearer.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!